Howdy, y'all. Buckle up. It's not just a suggestion, it's the law. And that ticket, more expensive than the seatbelt itself. Howdy, y'all. Welcome to In the Know with Lady Contessa, the standard setter. Now, let's have a little car-side chat. Every day, somebody hops in a car thinking, I am just running to the corner store. I don't need a seatbelt. Famous last words, honey. The truth is, most accidents happen within a few miles from home, right where folks feel safest. If you can't be trusted to buckle a seatbelt that's right beside you, what else are you skipping in life? I'm just saying, it takes 2 seconds. 2. And in exchange, you get protection, peace of mind, and the sweet satisfaction of not paying a $150 fine. Let's talk etiquette and responsibility. When you ride in someone else's car, don't wait for them to tell you to buckle up. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. That's called self-manners. It shows you respect the driver, the law, and your life. And if you're the driver, it's your duty to make sure everyone in your vehicle is strapped in, because if something happens, it's your name on that ticket and possibly your conscience carrying the guilt. Now, parents and grandparents, this part for you. The little ones are watching. If you slide into that car and don't buckle up, you'll just taught them it's optional. But if you do it every time, even when you are just backing out of the driveway, it becomes second nature to them. That's generational safety right there. Let's also touch on something we love to ignore: the broken seat belt excuse. Oh, it's jammed. It doesn't click. The latch is tricky. Sweetheart, that's not an excuse. That's a repair order waiting to happen, because in an accident, that tricky latch could be the difference between you walking away or not walking away at all. Here's a little real life math. A seatbelt repair might cost you $100. A hospital bill? Try a few thousand, if you are fortunate enough to see it. So which one makes sense? And we can talk about fashion for a second. Some folks don't buckle up because, wait for it, because they don't want to wrinkle their shirt. Baby, you can iron wrinkles, but you can't iron broken ribs. Seatbelt manners come down to 3 things: respect for the law, respect for your life, and respect for others who love you. Because every time you hit the road unbuckled, you're gambling with somebody else's heart too. So do yourself a favor. Make buckling up as automatic as putting on your shoes. Before the engine even starts, click it. Make that little click sound your morning music. Because good manners aren't just for the dinner table. They belong in the driver's seat too. Anyway, thanks to Tria for lending me your ears. I am Lady Contessa, the standard setter. Like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell for more In the Know, real talk, real life, and real perspective. Until next time, I am going to plant you now and dig you later. And y'all come back now, you hear? Ta-ta.